How to use non-stick release sheets on VMCS Clamshell Griddle Accessory. This video covers how to use the VMCS Clamshell Griddle Accessory when applying the non-stick release sheets. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout within 90 days of installation free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule this free service, contact your sales representative. Warning: the griddle and its parts are hot. Use care when operating, cleaning, or servicing the griddle. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Before using a newly installed VMCS clamshell, it is recommended that you clean your clamshell cooking plate thoroughly with a mild soap and water. Wipe the surface again with clean water and dry with a soft, clean cloth. There is no need to season the cooking plate with oil when using the non-stick release sheets. Attaching the non-stick release sheets. Slide the metal bracket into the sleeve of the non-stick release sheet as shown. Drape the non-stick release sheet from the right side of the platen by hooking the front and back of the bracket to the retaining pins. The sheet is reversible, so either orientation is fine. Lift the platen to the 53 degrees raised position. Pull the non-stick release sheet from the right side around the face of the platen cooking surface to the left side. Pull the non-stick release sheet tight and ensure the cooking surface of the platen is completely covered by the non-stick release sheet. Secure the non-stick release sheet to the left side of the platen with the two metal clips. Push the clips down over the non-stick release sheet, clipping onto the round rods underneath the sheet. See our video for how to clean the Vulcan VMCS Clamshell Griddle Accessory for full cleaning and maintenance instructions. In between cooking runs and during idle periods, the non-stick release sheet should be wiped off with water and a clean, soft cloth. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan VMCS Clamshell Griddle Accessory. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.